Hello and welcome to today's video. So today I'm in the beautiful village of Mallaig because we are currently on our Scottish sailing adventure, and although you wouldn't believe it today, there is some bad weather coming in later on and into tomorrow. So we've come here earlier on this morning to make sure we get a space at the marina, and that means I've got the whole afternoon to go off exploring. So Tim and I have actually already done this circular walking route around Mallaig, which is absolutely beautiful. But at the top there is some stonechats. So once we got back to the boat, I grabbed all my camera gear and we've come back out to see what images and video we can catch of them. So up near the top there's like a little cluster of sort of trees and sort of bushes just over the brow of the hill. So that is where I'm aiming for, with the plan to sort of sit and wait and hope that they come past. So I have already passed one, but when we were up here earlier there was a good like 4 or 5 of them up here. It felt like it might not have been, but yes, so we're going to go head up to the top. We're not too far off, and find somewhere nice to sit and set up, and then wait and hope for the best, really. Right, so it was in these trees, sort of this area, that we saw them the most. So hopefully that is where they hang out to, and yeah, we can get to see some, take some nice photos and videos. Right, so I'm up here and I can already hear and see the stonechats, which is really good. And it's quite nice for me, given that my last few attempts to go out and photograph have been particularly hard. So yeah, my plan is just to hang around up here and take as many photos and videos as I can before I either get too cold or too hungry. They are my limiting factors today. Right, so I've come up here off of the footpath because this is sort of where we saw them. Now, I did get a bit of bird action earlier, but they seem to have disappeared. I can still hear them. I still know that they're here. I'm not sure if you can hear them, if the microphone's picking it up above the wind. But at the moment I can't see where it is. I think it might be in the trees behind this tree in front of me. But there was 2 earlier, so I'm hoping that it's going to come back and we'll get some more photos. But I'm quite happy with the ones I've already got. It's just, I pretty much got them straight away and I wasn't filming that point. I was just like, oh, quick, take the pictures before they move on. The stonechats seem to have moved on down the hill a bit, just down by the footpath. So to be honest, I think that's where I'm going to leave it. I am so happy with the images and photos that I've got on the back of the camera. I don't want to disturb them anymore. I don't want to ruin their day. So yeah, one thing I'm going to have to do is a thorough tick check. This being Scotland and this being long grass and ferns, it's a tick paradise. They're just crawling. There's another one. They're just crawling all over me. It's really gross. But yeah, no, dead happy with coming out here. If you are ever in Mallaig, on the west coast of Scotland, I do highly recommend coming up here on this circular route. It's absolutely stunning, and obviously you've got the stonechats to photograph. So thank you very much for coming along on this mini adventure with me to come and see the stonechats here in Mallaig, and I shall see you in the next video.